Make is used when talking about creativity or to make something new. Examples: make breakfast, make appointments, make friends, make designs. I am making my breakfast. I make many friends. I am making designs for my project. I was busy in making appointments. Make is also used to make feel emotionally, to make someone cry, to make someone happy, sad, happy, angry. Do is always to complete something. On the other hand, make is used to create something new. Do is used to talk about an action activity, not to do something new or create something new, as in make. Let's take some examples. I am doing my work. I am doing exercise. I am doing rest. I was doing my assignments.